Vegas Living Cars, back with another video. First off, I gotta show you guys this sunset. I mean the rainbow. So, looks crazy. That rainbow is crazy. It's a full rainbow out. The weather is cool. The weather is not cold, but it's raining hella bad. But right now I'm heading down to go pick up one of my homies, and then we're gonna slide to this car show, Elite Tuner, and it should be a dope event. Hopefully a lot of people come through because it's raining and stuff, but it should be dope. I'm gonna go pick him up now, and then we're gonna head down there. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Peace. All right, we up here pulling in right now. Had to come scoop my nigga.
We finna go to the fucking car show. They gonna give me a bad big feel me. I'm just like, all right, ma, look at that ass.
Shit, driving in this. It's hella rainy. Yeah, fucking kill us.
Rainy. This nigga trying to record and drive.
A manual too. Shit, I can't
manual,
see
what's
shit.
that?
Oh, I can.
You see me though? Hold on.
Dripping.
Look at the jacket though. Tell him he busting.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
You already know, nigga. You know.
Look at the window. How foggy it is. Can y'all even see? Hold on.
I can't see shit.
It's Vegas, y'all. Oh shit, hey. You better chill out. Chill out. He come here trying to wild.
Damn. Okay, so oh shit. So we just got up here. I thought the spectator tickets was
motherfucking $20.
They had to pay 20 to come in, but shit, I had to pay 40 for the. Hold on, we gonna have
to. Oh shit! Put my big ass head. So you had to slide around this corner on that.
Tokyo drift up in this bitch.
Motherfucking post.
Hold on. I might have to just.
Shit.
Damn, this shit better be popping because it's raining. They better not say shit to me too about being.
Spectating or
The show.
show?
Yeah,
Okay.
I registered.
You registered? Okay, so wait, is this your spending?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, he got a spectator.
So let's go to the end.
I haven't got mine on yet.
What's up? Oh yeah.
This is the judging sticker.
Okay, yeah, for sure. Do you think?
You can just put your first and last name on it.
Get your ass out the way, boy. Walk right. You see this? People walk right in your way. Like, look, y'all see this? This for insurance.
I know. People try to sue me and shit.
This right. Witnesses, they walk right into the web. That's them.
So we up here now. We just parked and stuff. You know, I'm up here with the coldest Camaro. You know, coldest rap for sure. Hopefully the lighting is dope, so you can see the colors of the car. But we up here, we about to check out some of the cars. The show doesn't start for another hour, but it should be dope. We about to check some stuff out now. Let's go. Parked and stuff now. About to wipe the car down. She got rain all over it.
Show the rainbow.
Look at the rainbow.
The rainbow.
Matching the car. Look.
Matching the whip.
Did the wrap?
Hold on.
Shit, now tell them.
Matching the rainbow.
Now I gotta get my slave to work. Clearing is hard. What's up? Oh, shit. Bitch. Oh look, no, this is a McLaren, but I'm talking about the Lambo back there. Nah, don't. You got a crack on his shit too? Damn, everybody got cracks on this shit. That's a crack. Transmission? Yes, it is. Everybody got this shit. Look, another one. I didn't know that. I wasn't paying attention to that shit. But show didn't start yet. It's about to start in a little bit. It's gonna be starting in like 20 minutes. Let's get it. Damn, y'all know I love my M's. Oh yeah. Yes it is. Damn, what kind of wrap is that? Is that cart?
That's like snake skin.
I just said these look just like the ones that's on my Beamer.
Let me stop.
Honest.
Oh, should it be this one?
I was looking at that. I think this is at SEMA. lights. Roof. That's dope. I got a good ass spot. Right under the light. My car is glowing. Just got back home now. It was a good day. Today was fun. At Elite Tuner 2020, it was a good, fun experience. I'm actually surprised that there's as much people there because I was thinking that a lot of people weren't gonna show up and stuff because of all the rain and stuff like that. But surprisingly, a lot of people showed up, so it was a good turnout. The only thing that sucks is that there was supposed to be a two-step competition at the end of it, but then I guess the fire department or whatever like that said that it wasn't safe to do there, so they didn't have the two-step competition. So that kind of sucks because I was actually looking forward to that. That seemed like it was gonna be cool. And there's people who actually came all the way from like other states like Arizona and stuff like that just to compete in the two-step, and they didn't even get to compete, so that sucks, especially for them. But I wanted to get a few like sound clips and stuff like that for you guys, but unfortunately they didn't have the two-step competition. But I got a lot of dope videos of a lot of the cars that were there, so you guys can check out the cars and stuff like that. It was a fun event, and I'll be trying to pull up to a lot more car shows this year, so you guys, and giving you guys a lot of dope content and stuff. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel. You guys don't want to miss out on all the things that I'm going to be doing to the cars, and you guys don't want to be missing out on the next car that I'm going to be getting. It's going to be a good car. It's going to be a lot of good content that I'm going to be bringing to the channel, so you guys aren't going to want to miss out on all of that. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I do plan on doing a giveaway on this channel very soon, so you guys better stay tuned for that. And you guys make sure that you guys are subscribed so you guys don't miss out when I do my giveaways. I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways on the channel. I do plan on doing a giveaway very soon. I need to get my subscribers up a little bit more, and then I'm gonna announce a giveaway. So make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.